This is K.S. Chandradevi, studying 10th class English medium in ZP High School, DL-Puram, Nakapalli Mandal, Vishaka district. In the part of the 28th National Children's Congress, I want to participate and I selected the project as Ecosystem for Sustainable Living. The ecosystem that I was selected was pond ecosystem. We know that ecosystem tells the relationship between the abiotic and biotic factors, and when we see this pond ecosystem, this is very helpful to surrounding areas who are living in this area. And when we see, here are many types of plants like coconut plants, cashew trees, etc. And here many animals will come to here to drink water. This pond ecosystem will help to biodiversity and it saves the biodiversity. And when I compared these pond ecosystems from last 10 to 15 years, I found that this pond ecosystem was polluted by human activities or most waste and nutrients through the floods, and this is due to human activities or other activities. And when we see here, there is so much of algae present in this pond. This is because of the human activities. When we see there was most of the waste present at that edge due to human activities. And in these areas many people were living, and in these areas agriculture was very good. And when I compared with last 10 years and now, the productivity was decreased due to decrease in the pond ecosystems, and much of the water was present in this pond, and it was very useful to plants. Last time, this pond ecosystem is very useful to increase the ground level water and to save the biodiversity and to harvest the rainwater and supply water to the agriculture products or etc. other products. It will save the nature. And when we see now, many animals or birds were in extinct position and endangered position due to lack of water. And in next generation, we can show some of the birds by saving these pond ecosystems. Few years before, many people were used to drink this water, but nowadays this water was polluted and there was much algae. Due to these algae, the area of this pond will decrease and it will come flattened with the normal land. And when we see the water and when we compare the water with the present drinking water which I collected from the borewell, and this is the water that I collected from the pond, when we see it, it is very polluted and it was clean due to activities and throwing much of the dust in the pond. And when we compare this was polluted and it was not useful for drinking purpose. And if we neglect this type of pollutions, in further few years it may extinct. And not only this pond ecosystem was present, many pond ecosystems were present in our surroundings. Not only this pond ecosystem was polluted, all were in the same position and all may extinct in few years. If this process was going on, we will face the many water problems, water scarcity, and there will be no water. If we neglect this ecosystem like this ecosystem may be eliminated from our ecosystems. This pond ecosystem could not be there in our future, and it will be eliminated in our future. Water ecosystem. Finally, I conclude that we should protect these ecosystems, and my request to our surrounding people and government was to protect these ecosystems and save water and supply it to next generations. Thank you very much.